If you had to describe the Bacchanal experience, how would you describe it?
Awesome. I have been out of commission for 2 years. I've missed it so bad. I love it. This is my time to relax. I love it. This is the best thing of the year.
Will you be jumping with Bacchanal on Sunday?
I'm going to be on the road. I'm not jumping with anybody, but I'm going to be on the road for sure. I love Bacchanal. I love everybody. I really do.
Have you jumped with Bacchanal before?
I've jumped with Bacchanal a lot all my life. Love them. Love them. Support them. Happy for them. Really, really happy.
It's amazing. It's not too crowded and the music is flowing. The food is good. So I didn't regret coming here tonight. I love it.
Will you be jumping with Bacchanal on Sunday?
You know, I didn't plan to jump in Carnival this year. I'm not living out here. I'm in California. I wish I had planned, but I hope everyone will have fun.
Man, I like Bacchanal, one, because they play soca. I like dance all the rest of the year, but they play soca at carnival time. Number one. Number two, it's vibes. It's like safe, it's comfortable, everything is done really nicely, the food, the drink, the music, the party.
Great vibes. You should never miss a Bacchanal party. Never.
Will you be on the road on Sunday with Bacchanal?
Definitely, you will see me. It's great. I have been waiting for Bacchanal to come back, for soca to come back,